Daniel, quick video here about the Vital Health Immunity Boost Pack. These are high quality nutritional products that will boost your body's immune system. And the best thing is it's affordable because you're buying directly from the manufacturer. They have 6 months of these ingredients in stock at their climate controlled warehouse. And so I'm absolutely thrilled about all the people we're going to help with these wonderful supplements. So that collagen on the left there, that has NAD, which is anti-aging. The Neuro Cafe has Ganoderma, ginseng, vitamins, very, very powerful adaptogens. That Vital Pro, not only is it proteins, but adds a whole bunch of wonderful vitamins and minerals, enzymes into your diet. That tincture bottle is the nitric oxide. And that is an incredible product that helps boost the oxygen level inside your body. And then that V-glutation, glutathione is your master antioxidant. V-control helps keep your balance for blood sugars in your body. And then the V-organics is a good liver cleanser. And so Vital Health products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with your licensed healthcare providers. And so how can you find out more? Go to shop.vitalhealthglobal.com/heal-with-Daniel. My phone, area code 360-383-0265, Pacific Time weekdays. And let me give you the price of this Immunity Boost Pack as I am an affiliate, and it's only $29 annually to have that status. $252, and now that includes $18 of Washington State sales tax. If you don't have sales tax, you could take that off and it'd be $234 for you. So God bless you. I gave you my phone and my website, and I look forward to working with you. Bye for now.